Hello. Today what I wanted to do is come out here and have my dinner in the woods. Now I just set this up because it's been showering all day and it could downpour at any minute. So quick shelter here, just a quick setup. And what I wanted to do is share a new stove with you that I got at a thrift store. Very, very cool. Really excited when I seen it because I haven't seen one like this, and I've never seen one in this area. That is the Sterno stove. This one here, you can see it's been around for a while. It's in the original packaging. You can notice that there is some blue on the grill, so it has been used. But I went out, bought myself some fuel, and what I'm going to do today is heat up some fish chowder that I made last night. So the Sternos usually, they will bring, certain, let's just say it takes a while for them to boil water, 2 cups of water. But it's great for heating up certain meals and such. So that's what I'm going to do today. It's already cooked. I'm just going to heat it up. And I figured, why not out in the bush and listen to the pitter-patter of the rain on the tarp. That should be a nice solid base right there. And, geez, I can set that in, light this up, and start heating my chowder. Now, what I brought out here for heating the chowder is my heat exchange pot. That there has the heat exchange at the bottom, so it's going to be more efficient. And that's my chowder right there, and it's kind of cool. I thought this was going to fit in the pot, but it comes down and lips right over top of my pot. So I was able to carry it that way. But you take this, put that over like that, and now just pour in my chowder. Now let's light her up. Now we have it lit. This here is going to be good because I can just keep an eye on it, just gently warm it up, and I don't have to worry about it being burnt to the bottom of the pot. Quite a fair amount of heat coming off of that, really. Just thought this would be something a little different, and I'm always changing up and such because I enjoy it. This is my playtime, coming out into the bush, making a meal like this, just hiking around, seeing what I can see. There are my favorites that I take out more often, but this here I'll take out once in a while. This isn't going to be a stove that I take out you know, all the time for sure, but it's pretty nice to be able to change up and use different gear once in a while. Oh, I see some steam coming out of the top. Yeah, we got some steam. That's where these type of stoves shine. Just to heat up a can of soup or something like that there. Heat up some water for a coffee or a tea. Because unless you get it out here where it may need to be purified, you don't need to boil it. If I bring water from home, there's no need to boil it. All I have to do is heat my tea enough that it's to my preference and then drink it. So, very good option for many reasons. And a lot of people love Sterno's type stoves. Starting to steam up pretty well there now. So all I'm going to do is heat this up until it's warm to my preference, and then it's finished. You can put it out, let it cool off, and put it away. Still has a way to go, but that's tasting pretty nice. It's warming up already. Now, I've been showing a lot of different types of stoves and such lately. That's because I really enjoy cooking out in the outdoors. Even coming out just for a tea or a meal like this, a breakfast, I'd rather do it outside. So, that's why I share these. And whenever I do a review on something, I'm just letting you know what's out there. I'm never saying that, oh yeah, you have to have this, you've got to go buy it. I never say that. I show you gear, I let you know how it works by my experiences of using it, and it's up to you if it's something you can use or not. That's why I leave the link. But gorgeous is out here, really. You can hear the highway big time today because of the humidity in the air. I'm about a mile back in the woods and the highway's way over that way. You can still hear the big trucks. It's hard to get away from that since there's a major highway over that area. Yeah, that's hot enough for me. I'm going to put this out now. So what I'm going to do is I'll drop this down and just use the cover to snuff it out. There we go. Now I'll let that cool. We gotta let that cool a little bit. I'm gonna sit here and listen to the rain, and yes, the odd truck that goes by, but regardless, it's still beautiful out here. It's a nice way to spend an afternoon out here, just wandering around, sitting underneath a tarp for a while, eating a hot meal. I really enjoy this. The Sterno stove, that's pretty cool. Like I said, it's mostly for reheating or heating up meals, but it came in very handy this time, and I got it for $1. That's pretty cool. I want to thank you for watching. Take care, and all the best.